These are the elevators at the Selby, I think? Westbury. All 4 elevators here at KONE. Oh, where are you going?
Down.
Down?
Up
Or
to
up?
M.
M? Just M?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too. Seems like some of them talk, some of them don't. Buttons. Can't switch over anything. On the outside, the elevators are locked off. I think the other one talks. Just from what I heard. It's a nice complex. Actually, I can switch over. Here, I'll try to get the service for you guys. However, there is a service elevator somewhere. Like down there or something. It's a nice elevator system. Even though they're KONE, these are probably some of the best KONEs I've seen in a long time. They're slow though. This could be a lot faster. Typical KONE buttons.
Going down.
Yeah, this one talks. Smooth. Cabs are very nice. I don't know KONE models that well, so I don't know what model. I'm guessing EcoSpace or something.
First floor.
Yeah, this one has the newer KONE voice.
Going up.
Let's see, this is why we can't go up. You have the button turned off. I think it's burnt out too. Okay, that's it.